Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix your device is incompatible with this version on Android. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. All you have to do is to simply exit your Play Store. And then from here, you're going to search for Play Store right here. Make sure that you also close the background application for it fully. And then from here, you're going to search for Play Store, hold it, and then click on the app info once it shows up right here. Once you do so, you're going to go and click on the storage and cache right here. And before that, just make sure that you click on force stop so that it is stopped completely. Then click on force storage and cache. Then make sure you both clear the storage and clear the cache. And once you do so, it's going to clear all the data that is previously saved on the Play Store. And then once you do that, click on force stop again if it was enabled. And then click on open. And that should solve your problem. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.